Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick video about vertical lines and error 43 in Device Manager on Polaris cards. Before I start, if you would like to send me a GPU to repair, contact me on Discord. I will leave my username in the description along with links to repair.wiki and GPU repair subreddit. Alright, so this card is an RX 570 and the person who sent me this card said it shows those vertical lines on the screen. This suggests that the problem will be related to memory. This image here shows you which channel is faulty based on where those lines appear on the screen. In this case, you can clearly tell it's channel A. Okay, the first thing you need to do is a visual inspection for any physical damage, and this is why. Oh, and also this capacitor over here. Okay, so I have replaced all the components that were broken off, and it's worth mentioning that the reference voltage resistor for chip A1 was one of them. And because the problem was with channel A, I can assume that this was the source of the problem. But before I turn it on, I will do resistance and voltage measurements for future reference. Okay, resistance first, starting with 12 VBus, 3.3, 12 VEXT, 5 volts, 1.8 volts, display rail, VDDCI, and VMEM. And here are the voltages. We already know that the card outputs a picture, but let's see if the problem is fixed or not. Okay, there are no artifacts anymore, but the display is in low resolution and there is error 43 in Device Manager. This means that the card was probably a mining card with a mining BIOS on it. I will reflash the original BIOS from Tech Power Up using ATI Flash. Okay, so after flashing the BIOS, the card loaded drivers successfully and everything is back to normal. Thank you for watching, and as always, I hope you learned something.